Stompanato is the main stud dog here at Old Glory Kennels. He is the tightest inbred son of Renegade alive. Renegade's father, Mountain Man's Bandit, was off of Grand Champion Outlaw, bred to RC and the Sosa Boys, Molly. Grand Champion Outlaw was off of Finley's Champion Bo, bred to Crenshaw's Champion Polly, off of Champion Rascal, bred to Champion Honey Bunch. Molly was a double-bred granddaughter of Carver Stompanato. Carver Stompanato was 3 times Boudreaux's Eli in his 3rd generation. Renegade's mother, Kate Sasha, was off of Grand Champion Niggerino, bred to a daughter of Carver Stompanato. Stompy, as we call him's mother, Rennie, was off of Renegade to Dementia. Dementia was off of Bulldozer to Tamayo's Ripley. Bulldozer was off of Renegade, and Ripley was off of Kate's Rambo, son of Grand Champion Niggerino and Tamayo's Pandora, who was directly off of Townsend's Champion Red Rover, bred to Kate Sasha, Renegade's mother. When you do a CompuFed gene search on Stompy, it's 81.25% Renegade, 40% Mountain Man's Bandit, 44% Kate Sasha. He is also 26% Grand Champion Niggerino, 20% Grand Champion Outlaw, and 22% Boudreaux's Eli. Not only is Stompy's pedigree stacked, his production record speaks for itself.